So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to sign out of Google account remotely on all devices. It's pretty easy, so yeah, let's get started right away. So what you want to do is just open up Google, and you want to click on the top right corner on your profile picture. Once you're here, just click on manage your Google account. And right here you can see three different settings. Just click on the one at the top, the sign in and security. Now what you want to do when you're here, you just want to scroll down till you see recently used devices, and this will show you all the devices your account is logged into. And yeah, the top one is your phone you're using right now, and the other ones are other phones. So what you want to do is, for example, I want to remove this one right here, the Motorola one. You just want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of this phone, and you want to click on sign out. And it asks you if you want to sign out, and just click on sign out again. And I'm gonna do the same for this one. And yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.